Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now. Unplug the TV for 10 seconds, then plug it back in to clear transient errors. Once powered, press Menu or Home on the remote and go to Settings, then Network. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi name and password in front of you, because you'll rejoin the network immediately. This first step forces a fresh network negotiation and prepares the TV to forget bad cached connections before we perform the actual reset. Now perform the network reset. In Network Settings, choose Reset Network or Advanced Network Reset and confirm you want to forget saved networks. This clears DHCP leases and stored credentials, which is why the TV often reconnects cleanly afterward. Once the reset finishes, immediately reboot the TV using the remote or power cycle to ensure the stack restarts. Make sure your router is powered and broadcasting on 4 GHz or 5. Finally, reconnect. Choose your Wi-Fi SSID, enter the password carefully, and run the connection test. If it succeeds, make sure apps load normally. This is confirmation the reset worked. If it fails, restart the router and try again, or move the TV closer to the router to rule out signal issues. As a last resort only, perform a full factory reset. That erases apps and settings, so use it only if network reset and router reboot do not solve the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.